I'm about to show you how you can create a backup of Cuphead game files in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Okay, so the process is very simple. All you need to do is open Steam, then go to your library and click on Home. And right here you need to search for Cuphead. In my case, I have it right here. So after that, just right click the game, go to Manage, and you will see this option at the bottom to backup game files. So if you click here, you will see this window where you need to choose a directory to create the backup files. So you can click on browse and then right here just search for the folder where you want to save the backup. So you can create a folder on your desktop or wherever you want. And after that, just click on create the backup, and this will basically create a backup for the game installation files, and you can restore them later. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.